Okay, so welcome to Quick Calculus, and in this video, i-explain natin kung ano ba yung logarithmic or absolute value differentiation, no? So, yung logarithmic absolute value differentiation, usually ginagamit to kapag very complex, no? Used for very complex functions, no? So, usually, kunyari, pinagsama-sama na yung square root, yung mga raised to whatever integer, tapos meron pang composite functions, ganun. So, kapag mahaba siya, highly likely nagagamit ka ng logarithmic or absolute value differentiation. So, ano nga ba yung logarithmic absolute value differentiation? No? Paano siya ginagawa? No? So, first things first is we take the absolute value of both sides. Okay, so take the absolute value of both sides, then take the ln of both sides. So, bakit ln? So, pwede naman log. Kung tutusin, pwede naman log, pero mas madali kapag ln since yung derivative ng ln x is just 1 over x. So, 1 over absolute value of x. Okay? Next is we perform some type of manipulation. So, pwedeng algebraic manipulation para ma-simplify the equation. Okay? And next is get the implicit differentiation, no? Or perform implicit differentiation. Okay? And then lastly, solve for dy over dx. Okay? So, ito yung 5-step formula natin to perform logarithmic or absolute value differentiation. So, take the absolute value of both sides, take the ln of both sides, perform some sort of manipulation to just simplify the expression, and then perform differentiation, and then isolate dy over dx. Okay? So, makikita natin to na ina-apply natin in our future videos. No? So, explain natin siya. So, see you in the next video.